without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Her and the red hair. I feel like red hair is so in right. Is that Clifford the? Just the beginning, she just got me smiling. I'm just gonna let you know that just got me smiling. I don't know, something about YUQI, bro. Giada really be that great. Look at her. Oh, but right here, she's like adorable as hell. She's always cute. Don't come after me, Giada stands. YUQI stands. Wait, what did she say? She's a co-star, baby. And she's straight out of boba. She's straight out of boba. Oh, bro. Any boba fanatics that are straight out of boba. Damn, she got a. There's so many things in here. So know how she is. Everybody knows that she's. Okay, before I continue, chat. This is in my mind. I know. Dre, stop fucking pausing. But would you do? Would you do a Ouija board with YUQI? Be honest, chat. And anybody that watches this video, hi YouTube, we're on Twitch right now, you should join. But would you participate in the Ouija board with YUQI? And if YUQI ever sees this, have you tried has she tried a Ouija board? No. Not one person's. Damn. Okay, everybody is superstitious right now. I'm good. What? Apparently, YUQI is supposed to be Annabelle, right, guys? Oh, interesting. All right, no more interrupting. No interrupting. Ooh. Oh, is this from The Shining hallway? Ugh. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, the fall. I like the vibe of this song. Oh my. Attention freak. Wait. They're certified freak. Kitten freak? Like the meow kid from The Grudge? Attention freak? Goth freak? Hello? I don't know why. I forgot that the bathroom lights are on, and I don't know if I used the bathroom before. Hedgen? Never mind. I'm freaking myself out. I don't know why. Oh, it's that. Oh my god. I thought that was the door closing. It's the freaking hit of the bed that freaked me out. Who did the sound design? The cake was bleeding and he's roller skating. That part got me. Also, I can't see behind me because I have a green screen, so. This is just a vibe of a music video and song. It's like, freak! 10 days a week. Certified freaking, I'm a freak too. Aww. Ooh, she's just flipping eggs. She is so cute. Holy shit. Stop. Hold up. Why? Why are you so mean to me, Chad? She's so cute here. Oh my god. Oh. Stop.
hold up, wait a minute. Everybody knows that she can freak you with it. Gonna test trial like
Are we sacrificing Clifford the big red dog? Is that bunny or a dog? I don't know.
Baby, I'm dreaming, see you making me speechless. That's me. Loving the way you smell. Yeah, everybody wants a little piece. I'll be on the throne, did you know that I'm a queen?
What's in my coffee, bro? Like, everything is... Oh, is that E.T.? There's so many references in here. This is so badass. Certified freak. 10 days a week. Hey. There's so much going on in this music. I love it though. Woo. Get it, get it, get it. I love that part. Oh. Wait, who's who? I wonder if some homies are in this music video. Me too. I feel like I'm a certified freak too. For all the freaks in the world to be continued. Ooh, I like this.
She's certified freak.
10 days away. She said 10 days in a week. I believe it. Oh my god, I believed it too. I didn't even question that. You know what, YUQI? A million people just download Co-Star just because of her. She's a certified freak. Also, the guy, when they unraveled the guy, what's the guy? Ghostface, as like really good looking. I don't know why I said it, like very good looking. Wasn't like the main killer like really good looking too? To be honest, sometimes serial killers, it doesn't matter. They don't have to look ugly. Look like they good looking too, but it's just something, you know, off. You know, something a little off. There's also a playlister too. I'm gonna add this to the playlist as well. Oh, that's fire. This cover art. Oh my god, I like this. Oh my god, I actually want to buy this just because of the way it looks. I love it. So it's a rabbit. It's not Cliff the big red dog. I thought it was a dog for a second. She has Freak, My Way, Drink Up, Red Rover, On Clap with Lexi Lou. Oh shoot. Every time with Minnie. Oh, PH1, Drink It Up. Bonnie and Clyde is so good, and so is Giant. Bonnie and Clyde is really, really good. I remember listening to this while Hedgen was like driving, and it came up on my Discover Weekly. I was like, oh, who is this? I was like, YUQI? I was like, what? Shout out to YUQI. You're dope. That's all I got.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.